Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a UDP Hysteria server and set it up using the AG Injector VPN client. This setup can help you achieve more stable and secure browsing. Make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Step 1. Open a web browser on your device. In the search bar, type SSH-UDP online and visit the official SSH-UDP online website. On the homepage, if you're on mobile, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select UDP Hysteria, then choose UDP Hysteria server. Copy such as IP address, port, username, and password. Save this information securely as you will need it later. Step 2. Go to the Google Play Store and search for AG Injector. Download and install the app. Once installed, open the app. On the home screen, you'll see a list of VPN protocols. Since we're setting up a UDP server, select the UDP option. Step 3. Tap the menu button inside the app and select UDP settings. Enter the server details you created earlier, including IP address, port, username, and password. After filling out the fields, tap Save to apply the settings. Step 4. Return to the home screen of the AG Injector VPN app. Tap the Connect button at the bottom of the screen. If everything has been entered correctly, the app will connect to your UDP Hysteria server. You should now be browsing with added stability and security. Outro. That's it for today's tutorial. You've learned how to create a UDP Hysteria server and set it up with AG Injector VPN. If you found this guide useful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.